Hey folks, I'm OX Nancy NFT and welcome to my channel, MuseWire Weekly, where I go over everything that's happened in the AI, crypto, and Web3 space this past week. Now let's get to it. So first, GameFi had a bit of a plot twist. Investors just dropped over $11 million into new blockchain gaming projects, so clearly people still believe in Web3 gaming. But in the same week, DappRadar announced it's shutting down after 7 years. That's huge. It was one of the main tools for tracking Web3 activity. So yes, innovation and contraction are happening at the same time. It feels like the ecosystem is pruning old branches to grow new ones. Next, token unlock season is here. More than 460 million tokens will hit the market this week. Now, I'm not giving financial advice, you know me, but increasing supply can sometimes mean price volatility. So, if you're holding a project you love, just take a peek at the unlock schedule. Awareness is free. Regret is not, unfortunately. Now, onto events. Web3 is heading into India. India Blockchain Week 2025 just announced its dates. It's this December 1st to 7th in Bengaluru. India continues to position itself as a serious global player in Web3, especially around regulation, identity, and developer ecosystems. So expect major conversations, partnerships, and probably some spicy panel debates. Meanwhile, in AI, the platform war is officially heating up. Google, Meta, and newer AI platforms spent this week battling it out over digital advertising, with privacy rules tightening and AI becoming more agentic, meaning AI is starting to take action, not just make suggestions. Creators, brands, advertisers, we're all going to feel the shift. Even here on YouTube, discovery and monetization might look very different soon, so stay adaptable. Future you will thank you. And finally, a shift in AI energy. Investors aren't panicking, but they are becoming more realistic. There's less, AI will solve everything by Tuesday, and more of, show me adoption, revenue, and real-world usefulness. Honestly, that's healthy. It pushes innovation towards meaning, not hype. So big picture, we're in a transition moment. A pretty big transition moment. Old structures are dissolving, new ones are forming, and the people paying attention, like you and me, will be ahead of the curve. So thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next weekend with the latest updates in the crypto, Web3, and AI space. See you then.